my channel. So guys, today I'll be doing the unboxing of this JioPhone, and without wasting any time, let's start this. So guys, here comes the box. So let's open this box. Inside the box you get this JioPhone. Here comes the charger. It has a 5-watt charger. It is Radeon LYF Life. Here's some documentation, user manual. Here's the user manual. That's it. Okay, let me show you the phone. So here's the JioPhone. Let's boot this up. It is Radeon Jio Digital Life powered by KaiOS. So here's the 2 megapixel primary camera. This is torchlight, and then this is noise cancelling mic. There's no any button, there's nothing on the left side, and on the bottom there's 3.5mm jack, and then it supports a micro USB cable from which you charge your phone. And then you can tie up some ribbon through this. Here's the front camera. It has a VGA camera. So let me show you some features which the phone has. It has Jio Store. It supports Jio TV. It even has WhatsApp, Facebook, YouTube, lots of apps inside this. It even supports Google Assistant, Jio Cinema, and then camera, of course. Here's some options for gallery, calendar, and then browser, video. It has My Jio app, and you can go for Jio helpline through the app itself. And then here's the file manager. There's the music player, video player. You get FM radio, and then there's a unit converter. And inside the setting there's a Wi-Fi. You can use the Wi-Fi, of course mobile data. It supports NFC, Bluetooth. The phone supports 512GB RAM, and it has 4GB internal storage, and it supports 128GB SD card from which you can insert it. So guys, let me show you the camera feature. So this is the camera. You can see the quality of this phone. See, it has 2 megapixel camera. Although it does not support super HD quality photo, but it's average according to the price. It has the front camera. See, the front camera is VGA camera. So guys, let me turn this off. Now the phone is shut down. I'll take this off and show you guys. I'll take off the cover. Okay, so here's the battery. Here's the removable battery, and then it has 2000 mAh battery, which is very large as compared to this phone. It can last a day long with this 2000 mAh battery. So this is where you insert your SIM. It supports only single SIM, and then here for the SD card, from where you insert your SD card, and it supports 128GB, and that's it on the back. So this was the phone. If we slide this up, there will be a shortcut menu, and then you can see there's buttons. There's a function for torch, the volume, internet, calculator, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, flight mode, brightness, and the camera. So these are the features, and it has 2.4-inch screen. This is a rich feature phone. It has a lot of function and it is close to Android. So now talking about the price. The price for this phone is just 1000 rupees, and you will get SIM for free, and then they will activate your SIM. After the activation of your SIM, you will get 28 days validity and 1 GB internet per day, Jio to Jio free unlimited calling, and then Jio to non-Jio, there will be 3000 minutes of Jio to non-Jio voice call. So you will need to carry some documents for the SIM activation process. Before, the Aadhaar card was mandatory, but now the Aadhaar is not accepted. Instead of Aadhaar, you need to carry 2 documents, either one of them. The first one is the driving license. You need to carry your driving license, or your number 2, your voter ID. So you need to carry these 2 documents, one of them. So this is the best phone under 1000. GPS 4G handset, which comes under 1000. So thank you for watching, guys. If you do like this video, please hit the like button, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video, guys.